In this video, I am going to show you how to use TEMU credit balance for shopping. The first thing you need to know about TEMU credits is their ease of use. When you're ready to check out your selected items, TEMU automatically applies your available credits to eligible orders. This means you get instant savings without lifting a finger. You might be wondering if there's a specific step or code you need to enter to use the credits. The answer is simply no. TEMU has designed the checkout process to be as smooth as possible, automatically dedicating your credit balance for the total amount of your purchase. There might be times when you don't want to use the credit balance for a bigger purchase or simply choose not to use them on a particular order. TEMU has got you covered here as well. Before completing your checkout, you have the option to adjust the amount of credit you wish to apply to your current order. During the checkout process, keep an eye out for the section where your credits are applied. Here, you'll have the flexibility to charge the amount of credit you want to use. Whether you want to save all of your credits or just a portion, you can easily make adjustments according to your preferences. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips like this.